the windows.
You're working on the window? You got stuck, didn't you? How'd you get stuck? Oh, you put your feet out.
I duck.
You did.
I do it.
We should put a little window there for you. We'd have a window way down here. Yep. But with French doors, there'll be windows down here. You'll be able to see. Be able to see all this. Woods. Our mom's house. There's the road. There's the baby. Hey. I said, hey. Hey.
Mommy.
Yeah.
Hi.